Point 2 example number 3. Find the median of the data. The data is given like this. The average speed of the vehicle and the number of vehicle. 10 vehicles have the 10 vehicles run at the average speed of more than 60 km per hour to less than 64 km per hour. The 34 vehicles have the average speed more than 65 km per hour, less than 69 km per hour. 55 vehicles has the average speed of more than 70 km per hour, less than 74 km per hour. 85 vehicles, their average speed is more than 85 km per hour, less than 79 km per hour. These 10 vehicles have the average speed of more than 80 km per hour, less than 84 km per hour. And these 6 vehicles average speed more than 85 km per hour and less than 89 km per hour. So this class you have to write here, frequency you have to write in this column. But if you will observe, this class is not the continuous class. 62, 64 and after that 65 will start. So you have to make the continuous classes. So you have to make one additional column here. So I will write this as continuous class. To make the class continuous, from the lower limit, this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. From the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5 and to the upper limit you have to add the 0.5. At that time this will come. If I will subtract this, I will subtract 0.5 and I will add here 0.5. At that time what answers will come, that you have to see. This answer will come 59.5 to 64.5. Again, in the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, you have to add 0.5 in the upper limit. So this will come 64.5 to 69.5. This will come 69.5 to 74.5. This will come 74.5 to 79.5. Each and every class for the in the lower limit you have to subtract 0. From the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5 and in the upper limit you have to add 0.5. This becomes 79.5 to 84.5 and this becomes 84.5 to 89.5. To make the class continuous, again I will explain. In each and every lower limit, from each and every lower limit you have to subtract 0.5 and in upper limit you have to add 0.5. So this is the continuous class. If this class will start with 59.5 to 64.5, this will start with 64.5 to 69.5. If this will end with 69.5, at that time this will start with the 69.5. Means you have to make the continuous classes. Then you have to write the frequency 10, 34, 55, 85, 10 and 6. This is the frequency you have to write as it is. The cumulative frequency of this class is 10. The cumulative frequency of this class you have to find out at that time. You have to do the sum of 10 plus 34 is equal to 44. For the cumulative frequency of this class you have to do the sum of 44 plus 55 is equal to 99. For the cumulative frequency of this class you have to say that this you have to do the sum of 99 plus 85 is equal to 184. For the cumulative frequency of this class you have to do the addition of 184 plus 10. 184 plus 10 is equal to 194. For the cumulative frequency of this class, 194 plus 6 is equal to 200. In this way you have to find out the cumulative frequency, and this cumulative frequency will tell us that the average speed of the vehicle is more than 59.5 km per hour to 64.5 km per hour. How many vehicles are there? 10 vehicles. More than 59.5 and less than 69.5 km per hour, 44 vehicles are there, that they are running that speed, by that speed. More than 59.5 and less than 74.5 km per hour, how many vehicles will run? These 99 vehicles. In this way you have to complete the chart properly. Then here you have to find out the n. Sum of fi is equal to n is equal to 200. 200 upon 2 is equal to 100. This 100 frequency which is in the class, this 100 frequency where this here is the 99, 100 frequency will come in this class. So I will say that n upon 2 is equal to 100. You will observe this frequency in this median class. This class is called as the median class. median class. This is the frequency of the median class. This is called as the cumulative frequency. Preceding frequency of the median class is called as the cumulative frequency. Then this is the lower limit of the median class is equal to 74.5, and the class height of the median class is equal to, from the upper limit 79.5, you have to subtract the 74.5. At that time you will get the answer 5. So this class height is 5. So we will get each and everything. L is equal to 74.5. Frequency of median class is 85. Cumulative frequency is 99. Class height 79.5 minus 74.5 is equal to 5. So you have to find out the median. Median is equal to, you have to write the formula L plus N upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. So you have to put the value L is equal to 74.5 plus N upon 2 is equal to 100. Cumulative frequency is 99 upon frequency of the median class is 85 multiplied by class height is 5. So you have to put the value this as 5. Then 100 minus 99 is equal to 1, and this 2 under 2 17, this will come 1 upon 17. So 74.5 as it is, you have to write 1 upon 17 will come. This 1 upon 17 is equal to approximate 0.06 value will come. This 74.5 plus 0.06 is equal to 74.56. Yeah, but this number of vehicles will not come in fraction, so you have to say that this will come 75, because this whatever be the 0.56 is more, this one is more than 50, so you have to say that this round figure, this will come 75. So you have to say that the median of the data is equal to 75. So in this way you have to solve this example. Write this example in the notebook properly, and you have to solve the fourth example as a homework in your classwork notebook. Thank you.